Okay, a statement, law of inertia. An object stays at rest. An object, kulang na siya. An object at rest would stay at rest, or an object in motion at constant velocity. Meaning constant velocity, there's no acceleration, right? An object in motion at constant velocity will stay at that velocity constantly will remain in that constant velocity unless there's a non-zero external force. This is meaning that the first law is what we call the law of what is equilibrium. This tells us what is equilibrium, no? What is equilibrium? So this translates as the sum of the forces. This is vector equals 0. That is a 0 vector. Okay? Meaning that there could be millions of forces acting on that. But when you sum all the vectors, they add up to 0. For example, kanang bag diha, or even that phone there, na how many forces acting on that? How many forces can you see? Well, the obvious gravity, you have normal force, but there are millions and even billions of forces acting on those, on that system alone. Unsa na siya? Electromagnetic force, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. But in totality, they will all cancel out. That's why it's at rest. Okay? So, this is now the law of, that is what is equilibrium. The second is the law of acceleration. Unsa ning law of acceleration? This is, if in case there is a non-zero external force, if sum of F is not equal to 0, if summation of forces is not equal to 0, then the mass M, the mass of the object, would move with an acceleration of A such that MA is equal to summation of force. Okay? So, if the sum of forces is not equal to 0, then that mass, whatever is that mass, kanidire, or it could be masses, will accelerate. Will have an acceleration vector, let's say mounting acceleration vector, such that this acceleration vector is just the net force, or we can call this as F net, no? Ang sum of forces, let's just call that F net. Kani, F net. Kani is F net equals 0, and this one is F net is equal to MA. Now, notice here that F net and A are just, A is just a scalar multiplication. Right? Kung tanawin mo, di ba? A is equal now to, is now equal to 1 over M F net, right? How do you understand this? This is, in terms of vector, you multiply a vector by a positive scalar, right? If you multiply a vector by a positive scalar, what do you get? It's a vector with the same direction, right? Only scaled. So meaning that the direction of the acceleration is also the direction of the net force. You would know the direction of the net force by looking at the direction of the acceleration. Now, dili ni siya ang direction mismo, quotient of this. Dili ni siya ang direction sa imuhang kung asa ka gaatubang. Like, if you are no. Kung asa ka gaatubang, that's the direction of the velocity. The direction of the acceleration is kung asa directed ang change in motion. Okay, it's not, you could not see that immediately. Okay? So anyway, the direction of the acceleration is equal to the direction of the net force because this is just a scalar multiplication. Okay, again, that's why you have to understand katong vectors. Nasabtan ninyo? Okay? Ang number 3 is actually, this is more likely how, this is equilibrium. What happens at equilibrium, unang one. Second is what happens if we are not in equilibrium. Ang second is how to maintain equilibrium or how equilibrium is maintained or broken, is maintained or is sustained siguro, no? How equilibrium is sustained. Unsay meaning ani? The law of interaction. If you apply a force, that object will apply the same force. Okay? Mo nang naatay the consequence of this one is the normal force. If this is the table, na kay mass dira and na kay G. Na kay weight, right? Now, we know that this is a test. There must be a force that in order to keep it in equilibrium, otherwise, muana na siya dito, right? Kung wala laing forces. Then there must be a force that is countering the weight. And we call this now the normal force. Okay? Kay kabalo man ta nga wala siya nag-move, right? So there must be a force that's countering this. Okay? Now what happens if the weight, the normal force is kumbaga pa, kada surface na lang na siya kaya nga i-sustain. Actually, kana ma-translate na siya later sa pressure, no? So, na siya maximum nga kaya nga force nga ihatag. What happens if the weight is far from that? Then of course, kung sa mga hitabo, di ba mo collapse? Mo nang cause sa collapse. Okay? So, okay. Now, notice that all of this is actually vector equations. Okay? Now, let's understand this. We have, what is A? A is d squared x over dt squared, right? The second derivative of the position. Asa ni siya gikan, di ba, na kay x of t. Let's understand x of t. X of t is a parametrization. This is a vector, right? Or we can call this just r na lang, no? R. Okay, anak dere. What is r of t? For example, this is x, y lang, no? So, atong r of t dere, let's just limit to 2 dimensions, but we can actually generalize this to 3 dimensions. So, r of t would be equal to x of t I hat plus y of t j hat. These are parametrizations. Saan ang parametrization? Again, for example, what's the equation of a circle? Para masabtan lang yung parametrization. The equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. I can actually parameterize this, meaning that I will, instead of using xy, I would need a vector, I would express this in terms of vector. Unsaon na siya? Di ba mo ni circle? I will name this circle in terms of its point. Unsay point ani? That is x, y, right? Such that x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So, akong buhaton is mo imagine ko og flow, no? Ana. That's why nakay x of t because x changes. It could be that x of 0 kani dire, right? X of 1 kani, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, right? Kung mao ni ang x of 1, asa ang y of 1, dira, right? Kung mao ni ang x of 3, asa ang y of 3, dira, right? Dira. Sabtan ninyo? Now, in order to parameterize this, this vector is r. That r, di ba? Kung sa may ikuan sa r, di ba? Ang r now is just r is equal to xi plus yj. Right? xi plus yj. Now, since my x is x of t, meaning that it's not just one x, it depends on the parameter t. Okay? Not necessarily time, but of course, we can think of it as time. But again, parameterization is not necessarily in terms of time. Okay? So, as it goes, padulong dito. Okay? X is parameterized, di ba? Ga-change po ng R. Now, for example, if this is t equals 0 dire, di ba mauni ang R of 0, right? R of 0 now, that is R of 0. Kana siya, right? Kani, unsa man ni siya? That is R of T1, right? Nakuha ninyo? You see that R is changing also. So, murag dire, oh, by the way, how do we, one example parameterization of this is that I can think that X is equal to X of T, or X now is equal to R cosine T, and Y is equal to R sine of T. This is a parameterization. Okay? And as you can see, X now is a function of time, right? R is a constant. Okay? So, it changes. Tama? And now, you will see that this, if you have this parameterization, ang imong path nga ma-generate is a circle. Okay? So, sa ato pa, kani karon ang R nato, right? Mo nato ang R. And that is R of T. Now, what is dr over dt? Natay dr over dt. O saan ang dr over dt? Well, it's like, it's the tangent. It's a vector which is tangent to the curve. Okay? Di na ako na siya ipaprove sa inyo because it's quite not elementary. But here, this is now dr over dt. Asa ang A? Well, of course, we don't know. A could be, in this case, since gapaan ang motion, sa ato pa, A must be somewhere dire, right? Tama? Kay, niani man ang motion, tama? So, there's a change in this. So, A must be somewhere here. Okay? Nasabtan ninyo? Understand? Okay. So, mo ni karon ang A dire. Let's just name this A, which is A is equal to dr over dt. So, of course, being dr over dt, naani siya this squared r over dt. Okay, or we can think of this as v, right? Karon dire, unsa man ang dr, since r is in terms of xt, sa ato pa, this is just equal to d squared x over dt squared I plus d squared y over dt squared, okay, dt squared j. Okay? Sabtan. So, mo ni ang acceleration nato karon. Now, if tanaw nato ni siya, the sum of all forces, let's understand that. What is F net? Okay? F net is, sa ato pa, this is, okay, MA, which is equal to M d squared x over dt squared I plus m d squared y over dt squared j. And this must be equal to F net. But what is F net? This is sum of F xi plus sum of F yj. Right? Now, of course, if we include z, okay, ako na lang isang ano, no? I'll erase everything. I'll include z in the equation. Meaning now that MA equals d squared x over dt squared I plus d squared y over dt, m d squared x over dt squared I plus m d squared y over dt squared j plus m d squared z over dt squared k hat equals summation of force along x, I hat, right? Mo man yang F net, plus summation of forces along y, j hat, plus summation of forces along z, k hat. So you have three equations dire. What are the three equations? Well, equation 1 would be m d squared x over dt squared equals summation of force along x. And of course, equation 2 is summation of, right? Maura gyapon, just replace x by y. There are three equations there. And in fact, mo ni atong ginabuhat lang pirmi. But in order to analyze the system, sometimes one of the axes is in equilibrium and the other is not in equilibrium. Okay, makikita nato na siya later. Unsaon nato na siya pag sometimes manggod when we solve the problem sa tang isa niya ka is nasa equilibrium, isa kay wala sa equilibrium. Okay? Now, let's derive a very simple system in which dito lang ta sa along the y. Okay, ako na siyang erase ha. Let's derive a system nga sa y lang, meaning our f now, our f is just equal to our applied force or whatever. This is net force is just equal to 0i plus or minus g. Okay, sorry. Is just minus. This is 0. Ako na lang minus mg j hat. Mao niyang ako ang So meaning if you have a particle here, a particle with a mass m, the only force that acts on it is only kana. And the force now is equal to whatever that mass is times g. So ibig sabihin, all the other equations, okay? Unsay first equation ani? Di na ako apilo ng z ha. The first equation is md squared x over dt squared equals 0, right? Or dire ato ni siyang ikuan. dv na lang atong gamiton no, dvx over dt equals 0. Or here, if we divide it by m, meaning dvx over dt equals 0. Now, kung tanawon ninyo, this is actually saying that dvx equals 0 times dt. Okay? Or, mas ando rin na siya. Let's understand this. What is something that you differentiate and it will give you 0? Here, meaning karon that Vx must be equal to some constant. Okay? Vx must be equal to some is a constant, meaning x, whatever is that x. Sir, nganong naa may x dira nga ang kanira man imong gihatag nga force? Well, masabtan na ninyo unsa ni siya. I'm deriving actually the general case. Okay? Vx equals constant. Karon ang next nato is m dvy over dt equals minus mg. Or this is now cancel lang so you have now dvy equals minus g dt, right? And how do we solve this? We will integrate, right? And this is integrated. Okay, na siya plus c, right? So, sa ato pa na kay vy minus vy initial, right? V naught y, right? Vy minus v naught y equals the integral of dv kay v, di ba? Okay. What's this? This is minus gt. Okay? Well, if you set this from 0 to t, no, mag-start tag 0, the elapsed time. T now becomes the elapsed time. Now, you have to understand kung sa kalayan sa coordinate mo elapsed time. Naana dito sa video. Okay? So, sa mga subscriber, dapat balik mo dito sa, sa video. Na video dito nga, i-explain ako na siya. Istorya po nato itong subscribers dito. Kaya basin din yung uban mo, sana, mag-membership. So, okay. GT. Tama? Unsa ning VOY? This is now the initial, the velocity. VOY is the velocity at, this is equal to the velocity of y at t equals 0. The start time. So from here, you can see that Vy equals Voy minus GT. Okay? Now, ato na po ni siyang what is Vy? Let's work on this again. What is Vy? Vy is dy over dt. And this is equal to Voy minus GT. So sa ato pa, dy is equal to Voy minus GT dt. And we have to integrate this again, right? Unsa man yung integration dire? Well, we are starting from the initial y, so y naught to some y. Kani kay 0 to t. So what do you get when you integrate this? This is now, okay, y minus, okay, okay, so, okay, dire na mo padayon. So, y minus y naught equals Voy t minus 1/2 GT squared. So, does it make sense now? Okay? Now, kulang pa data dire. This one, okay. Dx over dt equals some constant, no? Let's just call this constant c. So, sa ato pa from here, x now is equal to ct. Tama? Now, meaning ani pag constant ang isa ka butang, meaning ani also that Vx is equal to constant must also be equal to Vox. Right? So, that ang C, kambyuhan nato ni siya karon na og Vox times T. Okay? Now, what if we set, if Vox equals 0, tanan ni siya, I mean, mawala yung x tanan, and this is just the free fall motion. Nakuha? This is just the free fall motion. Okay? Nasabtan ninyo? Now, if Vox is not 0, and instead of that, let's give it an initial velocity vector V naught, which is para ato siyang iano into theta. So clearly, naatay Vox dire og Voy. In this case, what happens to our Voy now Vox now becomes V naught cosine of theta, and Voy equals V naught sine of theta. And what we get now is y minus y naught equals v naught sine theta t minus 1/2 gt squared, and the other is x is equal to v naught cosine theta times t. We have the projectile motion. Okay? So, asa ni gikan? Okay, I derived to you the projectile and the free fall motion by using just asa tagikan sa Newton's laws, right? And then ato ni siyang giderive dire. Sa ato pa, unsa ng projectile og kuan, masabtan na nato karon sa ibot pasabot ang projectile og free fall. Isa lang na sila. And this is a system of exactly the same system when only that the active force is gravity. Masabtan ninyo? And then, kano sa mahimong free fall of projectile? Well, if Vox is 0, automatically now it becomes a free fall motion. If you give an initial velocity, so kailangan ang initial velocity mo sa ato pa napoy angle, iimo po na siya niya, no? You get now the projectile motion. Sabtan? Okay. Because napansin niyo nga nag-start ko dire, wala ta nag-discuss og kinematics. Diretso ko dire. And we derive kinematics from here. Sabihin, dynamics, the laws of Newton's laws of motion, and then we go to kinematics. Now, what is kinematics? Now, we are actually now in kinematics. What is kinematics? Kinematics is, ani ganiha, we use Newton's laws to analyze this, right? Newton's equations, di ba? Mo ni ang Newton's equations, tama? Okay, wala ta naganog Z. Mo ni ang Newton's equations. We are now asking here why objects move. Why it moves. Nganong dili siya sa equilibrium. Okay? And what would happen pag dili siya sa equilibrium? This is the why. And this equation now is the how. In kinematics, we are actually answering how objects move in space. Meaning dire, makita nimo, it's nimo mismo, what is now the path? Let's derive the path of this. If na kay xy, x o y, and you start at y naught, and you can start at 0 dire, no? Sa x naught is 0. Okay? Kani automatically gi-0 na akong x naught dire, no? Because but you can set that to be x minus x naught. Pwede ni siya in general, this is x minus x naught. Kay integration man na siya gyapon, right? But naanad lang kung ginaset na ko na siya 0, no? Again, you have to rewatch the video katong anyway. You started with y naught. Ang question is, what is now the plot, the graph of this one dire? Analyze nato, wala pa nakabalo. This is an equation. This is an equation, a parametric equations. In order for us to understand, para mabala nato ang iyahang nature, we have to arrive at the algebraic equation. Kato ganing x squared plus y squared equals r squared. This is an closed form algebraic equation. Okay? We want this. We need this one. Not, kani parametric ni siya. Ang parametric manggod kay local siya. Ibig sabihin, you are actually uncovering things bit by bit, piece by piece. Sabta ninyo? Okay? So, if you're going to do that, kailangan natin siya i-convert into an algebraic equation. Well, it's easy to do that. Here, express nato t in terms of x. X over v naught cosine of theta. Now, our y now becomes y minus y naught equals v naught sine theta times x over v naught cosine of theta minus 1/2 g times x squared over v naught squared cosine squared theta. And here, we can see that our y of x, okay, our trajectory is equal to, atong i-arrange, this is minus 1/2 g over v naught squared cosine squared theta x squared plus tangent theta times x plus y naught. This is an equation of parabola. And this parabola sa negative a, di ba? O sa may parabola, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Unsa nang c? Mauna ang c ang kung asa the y-intercept is the c. Right? When x equal to 0, y equals c. Mauna siya diri ang c. That's why mauna ang y naught. And this is a parabola that's actually opening down kay negative ang a nato, right? So the parabola must be opening down. Now, ang question karon is that where is the vertex of the parabola? How do you find the vertex of the parabola? Okay? Naana tay parabola. So kabalota, ang parabola could be this. Okay? Tama? Pangitao nato ang vertex karon sa parabola. How do you find out the vertex of the parabola? Well, this is the minimum or the maximum of the function, right? How do you find that? Take dy over dx. Okay? dy over dx is, well, pwede nato diri kwaon, duhaon ako ni siya pag-solve. dy over dx, meaning that I would get the vertex in terms of in y in terms of x. dy over dx, sa mitabuan you get now minus g over v naught squared cosine squared theta, right? X plus kani kay tangent theta, right? So tangent theta equals 0. Then kay mo man yang ano, right? And then solve for x. So okay, ato ni siyang himuog sine theta over cosine theta. So that this is now g x over v naught, okay, v naught squared cosine squared theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. And cancel sa ato pa, x now is equal to v naught squared sine theta cosine theta over, this is v naught squared sine theta cosine theta over g. Now, unsa tong ganiha, di ba unsa tong t na to, di ba tong t kay x over v naught cosine of theta, right? Tama ba? Right? Sakto? Sakto ba ni? Yeah. V naught cosine theta, di ba mao ni? Now, I will replace now okay, times sa, unya na lang. Asa ang solve sa nako ang y. What is now out of sa to pa nakuha na nako ni, right? The vertex is when x is equal to this, right? Tama? Okay? Now, unsa ang y corresponding y? I will have to substitute this to the equation at asa eh. Okay? Pero nindot man daw ng taas. No? Okay. So, i-substitute na ako dito sa y equals minus g over v naught squared cosine squared theta times v naught squared mahimo ng 4, tama? 4 sine squared cosine squared theta over g squared minus, okay, sine theta over cosine theta times kani v naught squared sine squared theta sine theta day theta cosine of theta over g plus plus no, why not? Okay. Cancel v naught squared sine squared theta, right? Cancel, mahimong v naught squared cosine squared. So sa ato pa na kay, okay, cancel. So diri na kay plus din ni, no? Asang 2 na 2? No. Murag na ako'y na 2 dapat ganiha dire. Na 2 dire. Na 2, right? Nawala na ako ang 2 kay 1/2 GT man. Wala na nabutang ganiha, no? Okay. Agiahat. Katong pag-derive na ako dire, walay 2, no? Dapat na din 2 dire. So, sa ato pa, kung nani 2, unsay may tabo. Okay, ato na lang ikuan. Katong gikuan ako dire na 2. Na 2 daan dire, ganiha. Pero pag dire na ako nasayop. Okay, wala. Mo nang kailangan guys, on the spot mag-solve. So, kailangan mo sa ako ang no kay kailangan ninyo i-trace. At least ingna ko ba, sir, kulang na diha. So, na 2 dire unsay may tabo. Na 2, tama? So, na 2, okay. Na 2. Napoy 2 dire. Times sa No. 2 dire 2. So, nakay 2. O, lagi. Ay, sorry. Walay 2 dire. Kay mag-cancel di ay. Ay. Sakto. Dire ang na ito. Sakto. Asa? Nasulat na ninyo? Wala na ito. Kay sakto pag differentiate, wala ito. Okay, sakto ni siya. Wala ito dire. Sa muka, oy. Kada tingano ko, namay ito dapat dire god. Okay, so kani the whole thing is minus ni ha. This whole thing is minus V naught squared sine squared theta over G, right? Plus, kani kay na ito dire. V naught squared sine squared theta over G plus Y naught. From here, kani is just, okay, sa ato pa, Y now equals, this is the vertex. Let us call this YV. Okay, this is XV, the vertex. This is now equal to V naught squared sine squared, theta over 2G plus Y naught. Okay. Now, di ba mauni ang Y max? The maximum height? Right? When you solved it sa katong previously, sa inyong bachelor's degree. Di ba? Pag sa bachelor's degree ninyo, masteral naman mo karon, sa bachelor's degree ninyo, you solve the maximum height, right? Pero giusan niyo pag-solve ang maximum height, set Vy equals 0 and solve for t, right? Pero kani unsay gipaagi nako, it's much more mathematical. Masteral naman mo, so mas higher na ni siya dire. Kung mag-doctorate mo pohon ani nga subject, dito abstract na gito ang gamiton nato dito. Mo nang ayaw na mo pagkuana, ayaw na mo pag-doctorate ani. Okay? Di na gid pwede maka-doctorate ani. Kay ano na. Okay. So, di ba, sa inyong bachelor's degree, inyo ding na-evaluate. I mean, inyo ding na-solve, right? Maximum, the Y max, right? The maximum height. No. Ang inyong dati is Y minus Y naught equals V naught squared sine squared theta over G, right? Now, let's understand unsa ning Y minus Y naught. YV ni siya, no? Or let's just call this now Y max, right? Okay, or ato ni siyang Y max, okay, in your bachelor's degree, you use a different notation maybe. Okay? Karon kay masteral mo, okay, V naught squared sine squared theta over G. Let's understand why, okay, let's understand basically what is Y minus Y naught. Now, kani diri, pag naa diri ang particle, this displacement, the distance of the particle from the iyahang, this is Y naught, right? This is Y naught. Sa ato pa, this one here is Y minus Y naught. Whenever Y minus Y naught is positive, meaning that the particle is above the level kung asa siya gi-release. And whenever it is negative, it is below. Now, when you solve for Y, sometimes or T, you get two solutions, right? Nganong two solutions man? But of course, kani, for example, if you plot this to YT, gyapon ang inyong makita, right? Similar gyapon ani. For tanawa for the same Y, pila ka book solution for T? Na ay duha, right? Sabtan? Na ay duha. Okay? So, sa ato pa, ang Y minus Y naught is the Kani. And sometimes, there are actually convention nga, ginaset nato ni siya as, mura ginalet lang ni siya as D. Okay, whenever D is positive, you are above. Whenever D is negative, you are below. Okay? So, nasabtan. Any questions so far? So, asa may mas gusto ninyo? Katong sa bachelor's degree ninyo nga derivation o kaning sa masteral? Ha? Bachelor? Gano man? Okay? So, okay? Sa doctorate ninyo po, napay mas nindot aning di na gud kailangan mag-doctorate, no? Simbako, di na magiging maka-doctorate kay matanggal naman sa program, tama? Masteral ra gyud taman. Di man day mo only no? Only take one lang yun. I mean, up to take two lang. Okay. So, nasabtan ni siya? Okay. And of course, tanawan ninyo ni siya. Kano sa ni siya mubalik dire? Kani siya ang ginatawag nato nga R. Nga naman, range. If we fire this from the ground, mubalik siya dire pod, right? Nga level. So let's call that R. Tanawan, di ba ang 2R is equal to 2XB, tama? Tama? 2XB lang. But what is XB? Ha? So itong XB? Asa na to? Kani, tama? Oh, so this is just 2V naught squared sine theta cosine theta over G. But we have an identity of sine of 2x equals 2 sine x cosine x. So sa ato pa, the range now will be equal to V naught squared sine 2 theta over G. From here, makita nato that the maximum R is when this is 1. Right? The maximum range is when sine 2 theta is 1. Meaning, if sine 2 theta equals 1, this implies that 2 theta must be equal to pi over 2. So, the theta now will give us the maximum range. Pi over 4 or 45 degrees. Nasabtan? Okay? Any question? Wala. Okay? Okay. Now, di na ako maghatag kayong mga ang concept akong gi-derive sa inyo ha. Notice that wala tayo jump, right? We derive everything by just using intuition and logic, no? And mathematics. Okay? So far, wala ta nagkuan. Asa ta nagsugod ani dito sa you have a particle in which the force is just downward. No other force. We solve now the Newton's, actually, katong ganiya, gibuhat nato, differential equation na to. Wala lang kung nag-ano sa inyo. Wala pa may DE. Di ba? Pero katong pamaagi na to is pagsumutoy, pagsugod sa DE. Katong M, D squared X over DT squared equals sum dire is what we call a differential equation. Baliktad na siya, manggod, sa inyong calculus, given ang function, isolve ninyo ang integral or differential, right? Ang differential equation, given ang equation, isolve ninyo ang f of x mismo ang function. Mas lisod na siya. Pangitaon mismo ninyo ang f of x. That would satisfy that equation. So, mao nang mas advanced siya. Okay? Of course, it's a combination of integration and differentiation. Basin man gud mingon mo nga differential equation kay different derivative ra tanan. No, dili. Meaning ana, you have a differential. This is a differential equation. The Newton's laws of motion is what we call a differential equation. By the way, what is the differential equation? Tulo ka buok, no? Or in vector form, you have m d squared r over dt squared equals, in general, you have the sum of forces, right? Summation of forces. And this could be f of r, a vector form. This is f of r, a function of r. Meaning, here could be any another. This is what we call a differential equation. And then, in order to solve that, we have to solve for r of t. In fact, mauni ang routine sa dynamics. Unsa ni siya? Ang r of t is the trajectory. And this is the most important thing na kailangan nato. Why? Because if you know r of t, you will know everything. Past, present, and future. Tinood lang. Mora ni kinahanglan. Why? For example, kani, kabalo ta sa r of t, right? Unsay r of t nato dire? Well, ang r of t nato kay just plug in katong x of t ganiha, right? Natay x of t, tama? And then, I hat plus itong y of t. And you will know r at any point in time, right? Mabalan po nimo ang velocity. For example, what is the velocity at this point? The vector, velocity vector. Well, all you have to do is dr over dt. Tanawa ang dr over dt. That is, you will see that this is just equal to asa na itong, nawala na po, asa naman to? O saan itong x of t? X equals v naught cosine theta t, right? So, dx, mo ni ang x of t, right? dx over dt now becomes what? This is v naught cosine theta t plus, what is vy over dy over dt? O saan itong y na to? Minus 1/2 katong ganiha. That is y of t equals y naught plus v naught sine theta t minus 1/2 gt squared, right? Tama? Okay, tanawan ninyo ang nyahang kuan. 1/2 gt squared. Pag kuan nimo ani, so sa ato pa this is v naught sine theta minus gt, right? J hat. Now, to know this, just evaluate at this point here. Sa time space, sa yt nga space. Just substitute the time dito. Mabalaan nimo exactly asa padulong, asa ga-phase ang imong velocity, right? You will know everything sa system. Momentum at that point, tanan. Nasabtan ninyo? By just this. No, meaning that knowing R is knowing everything in classical physics. Knowing the equation of the trajectory. Okay? Because the equation of the trajectory, kabalo ka ang when o where. Dili lang kay ang where. For example, it's useless if you know morning path. Let's say morning path sa system. It's useless if you know the path but you don't know kano sa siya dire, kano sa siya dira, right? Murag, kabalo ka, diha mo agi ang imong crush, pero wala ka kabalo, kano sa siya mo agi diha. So, sa imong buhaton, magulat, tibok adlaw, right? Pero exactly kabalo ka, so, pwede ka makastalk. Stalker na siya. No? Ayaw po dana. So, you have to know the, may gabuhatan na, no? Ginatanaw na itong itinerary sa kuan, sa atong ginastukan, no? Hala, ani nga time na, ani siya dito. Okay? So, gapangita mo sa trajectory. Then, paagi-agi na yung dito, murag, it's you again. Murag, distinct kita makita diri. Ha? Okay. So, you have to know trajectory is everything. Sa pagkuha sa trajectory, we are now in kinematics. Big sabihin, maunang dynamics. Once you know the equations of motion, solve the differential equation. The differential equation would lead you to R of t. Mao ni kumbaga patong f of x ninyo dati sa differential o integral calculus, right? Given ang f of x, find the derivative. Right? So, maodo ang ano, kari-karon kay time man ta, no? R of t. Well, pwede gyapon ta mo solve in terms of y of x. Okay? Pero, anyway. Okay, let's solve another system. Okay. Sige, itong kuan. Now, let's apply Newton's laws in another problem. Okay. Suppose we have an inclined plane dire. Theta. You have a mass m. Okay. We want to know the acceleration of the block. Okay, given m and theta, we want to know the acceleration of the block. Nakuha? We want to know the acceleration of the block. Karon, what would we do? Kailangan ta magbuhat og free body diagram, right? Sa inyong bachelor's degree, nagbuhat mo og free body diagram. Karon sa masteral din niyo dire ani nga ani nga subject na gihapoy free body diagram, mas grabe pa. Okay? So, tanaw na to. So, tanaw na to ang free body diagram dire. Now, of course, asa mo agyang system dire, di ba? The problem with this axis here is that, okay, atong summation of forces along x, of course, in general, this is non-zero. Tama? Okay, naman siya dire, right? Ang y nato, napoy y component, right? Mo bening f-net, tama? Mo ni ang f-net. Nasa fx o fy. So sa ato pa, ang summation of forces along y nato is also not equal to 0. But there's an efficient way of doing this. What we do is, aniho nato siya, we will tilt the axis such that the x-axis is parallel to the inclined plane. In that case, ang ato ang motion is kani. Pag ani karon atong summation of forces along y is 0. Equilibrium siya along y, right? So, diri nato makita. But, of course, now, the summation of forces along x here is non-zero. And this is now, mo nitong ginapangita, ma. Mo ni ang acceleration diri, right? So, unsay kalahian? Kani, mag-solve ta og ma x og ma y. But, of course, let's try to solve it in two situation. Okay? Let's try anaon nato and see. Okay. So, free body diagram. Draw a free body diagram. Mo ni no? So, weight and mo ni ang F-net nato. Okay? Of course, ang ato ang normal force is dire. N, right? Such that Fn is perpendicular to F-net. Tama? Kay ang F-net nato kay ano man sa surface man. It's not actually ato na nibutang ang AA dire no kay basin alaan ninyo, ma-appeal ninyo ano ba. So this is our acceleration A here. Now, take summation of forces along X. What are the forces? Okay, by the way, unsay angle ani? Kung theta na siya, so sa ato pa, this must also be theta. So, unsa ni siya karon? This is pi over 2 minus theta, tama? 90 minus theta, right? So, kani karon pila ni siya? 90 minus theta, right? So, sa ato pa kani kay equal to theta gihapon. No? May mo na siya importante later. So, straight ra dire. So, kani siya karon kay pi over 2 minus theta, right? Okay. So, summation of forces along X. What are the forces along X? You have NX. Wala na. Right? And this is equal to MAX. But what is NX? NX is just equal to N cosine of pi over 2 minus theta equals MAX, right? And this is the sine of theta. So this is n sine of theta equals max. Okay? Sabtan. Wa pa ta kabalo sa n nato diri, mo ni problem diri. But tanaw nato summation of forces along y. Summation of forces along y equals, what are the forces along y? You have ny minus mg, right? Equals may. What is n kani? Ny now is what? This is n sine of pi over 2 minus theta minus mg equals may. And of course, this is just n cosine of theta, cosine of theta, minus mg equals may. Now, the problem karon is unsao nato na ang n. Wa ta kabaluan na. Right? Natay tulo ka unknown actually. Mo ni problem. Natay tulo ka unknown. Unsa ang tulo ka unknown nato? Ax, ay, ug n. Well, we can find n by solving through this axis here. Equivalent na siya dito. Pero let's say wala ta kabaluan na. Kani dire, let's call this the z-axis, no? Ana lang. Summation of forces along that z, not the z nga katong dire ha, but just let's call that z, no? Or s na lang. Or s-axis. Okay, s. And this is equal to, okay, n minus, okay, the component of weight in that s-axis, right? Tama. The component of weight in that s-axis, so sa ato pa, mo nang gi-calculate, ano na ito nga theta ni. Sa ato pa, this is n cosine theta, right? Tama. So this is n, weight cosine of theta. So this is just mg cosine of theta, and now this is equal to 0. Nga naman, it is equilibrium along this axis here. Okay? So, from here, makuha nato that n is equal to mg cosine of theta. Okay? So, from here, masolve nato sa ato pa, unsa man ni siya? Ax, now, Ax is equal to, mag-cancel lang m, tama? So, Ax now is equal to g sine of theta. G, kay mg cosine theta man. So, no, g sine of theta cosine of theta, right? Sabtan? Ang gi-substitute ni siya dire. So, mo nang Ax. How about my Ay? Ay is equal to, this is mg, mag-cancel kaya pa ng m, tama? So, mahimong g cosine squared, tama? So, Ay now becomes, cancel ang m. So, Ay is equal to g times cosine squared theta minus 1. Tama? Sakto ba? Kay cosine, may mo maning mg cosine squared, right? Factor out g. So, g cosine squared minus 1. Masabtan? Or this is actually equal to minus g sine squared theta, right? Now, unsa ako ang A? Ang akong acceleration is the A now, my A, okay, magnitude of A, okay, nana ko yung A vector, right? Unsa akong A vector? Kani? Ax I hat plus Ay j hat. So, kanino? I hat plus kani j hat. Sabtan. But of course, importante ang magnitude, ana. Muna itong ginapangita, right? What's the magnitude? So, A now would be equal to square root of ax squared plus ay squared. I-square ni mo, so you will have now g squared sine squared cosine squared theta. Tama? Plus, square ani. G squared sine 4 theta. Factor out sine theta and g, so you have now g squared, natay square root ani diri ha. So, igawas nato siya sa square root, so nakay g sine of theta, right? G squared sine squared, gawas nato sa square root, so ana na. Square root of, unsay mabilin diri? Cosine squared theta plus, o sa'yo mabilin dire, sine squared theta, or this is equal to 1. Sa ato pa, A is just equal to G sine of theta. Right? Sabtan. Mao ni ang solution 1. Kani. Now, let's solve this using solution 2. Naman ni sa video. Ayun ang pagsulat, kaya naman ni sa video. Ako man yung i-upload. Okay? Maka-study mo dito. Yeah, cut ko ani. Okay, of course, mag-cut yun kayo sa'yo, mamalikas na ba ko? So, mamalikas ko sa akin, mo nang kailangan natin i-cut. No? Okay, let's solve this second solution. Ako ha? So, taas-taas, no? Kaning second solution. O say, atong ani ang axis, di ba? Tama? And mauni karon ang weight. Ang weight karon nahimo ng duha ka component, right? Pero atong n dire. Ato ang A is mo na ni, right? Now, summation of forces along y equals 0. Mao naman itong S ganiha, right? So from here, this will lead to the equation mo gito ni n minus theta gyapon ni, right? If this is theta, this must also be theta. So sa ato pa, this is just n. Mao ra ning ganiha. N minus weight y equals 0 or n equals mg cosine of theta. Mao nitong S. How about the x? Summation of forces along x. What are the forces along x? Isa lang ang force along x, that is weight x, right? Positive. Equals ma x. Pero di na natin butang x kay wala man tay y. So automatically a na lang, no? But what is weight x? Di ba mao niyang weight x? That is weight sine theta. Tama? So this is now mg sine of theta. Okay? Equals ma. A equals g sine of theta. Di ba dali kayo? We don't even need this one. We don't need this one. Kaya nga naman, well, masolve nato siya without going to this one. Diri lang, di ba? So, nakita ninyo ang difference sa duha ka solusyon? Asay masayon? Okay. So, mao na siya nga dapat ang inyong axis manggod, ang kuan manggod ana is that you put your axis as that in a way that the equations will simplify. Okay? Sabtan? Okay. So, we get the same but a shorter solution. Now, kani, we don't even need to go through y. Ganiha, we had to go through y, di ba? I mean, ang n, diri, we don't need to know what's n here. Ganiha, namoblema ta sa n. Kaya nga naman, igawas nga n good. And then, kailangan pa natin ito isolve. Okay? So, this is a much easier solution. But, okay. Okay. Now, I introduce another system. Ganiha, ato ang system ganiha kay G lang, di ba? Now, I'll add another system, a linear kinematics in general. This system is Fy equals 0, Fx equals just MA. Okay? Or, sorry, this is just constant. Fx is just constant, F naught. Nakuha? Meaning you have a force along x acting constantly. Okay? So we will not solve along y. Ato ang sa differential equation md squared x over dt squared equals F naught, right? Or let's just call this F naught as F applied, FA. Okay? F applied. Or this is M, dv, x. dv na lang atong gamiton kay wala, di naman ta mag-concern anong y, no? No motion along y. We also set vy equals 0. Okay? At all, ano? Okay? dv over dt equals fa. So, sa may tabo dire? Well, ana na lang, i-MA na lang yun natin eh. Set na itong MA, right? MA meaning not depends on the mass and acceleration of the nakuha. Okay? So unsay nato ani? So dv equals a dt, right? Tama? And of course when you integrate this na kay v minus v naught, right? Equals at. So that V now is equal to V naught plus AT. This is the linear kinematics, right? And this is now dx over dt equals V naught plus AT. When you take another integration of this, you get now x minus x naught. Or I'll just call this x, right? I'll just set x naught to be 0. Okay, reference ano naman na? And this is equal to V naught t plus 1/2 AT squared. That is linear kinematics. Okay? Sabtan. Okay, so karon nakita na niyo asa na sa lagikan tanan. Okay? Now, let's solve balik tatong dire. What is the acceleration? A is equal to g sine theta, right? What if girelease siya sa height nga h? It was released at the height of h as an initial velocity of v naught equals 0. Okay? What is the velocity when it reaches the ground? Okay? Atong siya, as it reaches the ground. O say velocity niya. Okay. Now, of course, atong kung anon is girelease siya dire, right? This is h. Ang question karon is, dili na dire kung dili, kailangan nato di pangitaon, right? We now have a system in which v naught equals 0. And the distance traveled is already given, right? What's say distance traveled? It is just equal to, if this is x, so x is just equal to, h is equal to x sine of theta, tama? So x now is equal to h over sine of theta, right? So given and then x is equal to h over sine of theta, find now the velocity v, okay? Well, we must know what is the time nga moabot siya dire, right? Okay, saan nato pag-solve? Okay? We have another equation. X equals, using the average velocity, x is equal to v plus v naught over 2 times time, right? And I'll add another 2ax equals v naught squared minus v squared minus v naught squared. Asa ni siya? Nag-derive mo sa, okay. Ano lang sa, I'll add another equation here. Na kay v og t nga space. Ang v of t nimo, v of t, linear, right? Linear siya nga ang slope niya kay a, right? Yang initial, when t is equal to z, okay, sorry, this is b and this is t. At t equals 0, your v, sa ito pa muning v naught, right? Ang slope ani kay a. Tama? Y is equal to mx plus b naman eh. Tama? Okay? Now, to find now the distance is just equal to, the distance is the area. Dire. Area below that. And what is that? Okay? Let's use the triangle. Okay? Ang area ani is equal to x. Nakuha? In fact, that's what when you integrate that one. Tama? Pero let's do this geometrically. Unsa ni siya? This is now v here, final. This is v initial. So sa ato pa, you have ato ni siyang i-divide into 2, right? The area of a rectangle plus the area of a triangle, right? What's the area of a rectangle? That is V naught times T, right? So V naught T. What is the area of the triangle? This is 1/2, okay? 1/2 base is T times V minus V naught, right? So the total area is V naught T plus 1/2 TV minus 1/2 TV naught. Or this is equal now to 1/2 VT minus 1/2 V naught T, right? And this is equal to, plus, right? X. Nakuha? And what is this? This is just equal to, X now is equal to V plus V naught over 2 times time. This is our second equation. Nakuha ninyo? Sabta ninyo ni? Kinematic equation. Okay? Okay, ang isa kay sabtan mo ni ang third, no? Napay isa. Kani, okay, na ako'y dv over dt equals a, right? Okay, I will use the chain rule. I will use now the chain rule. Instead of, I will assume that v is a function of x. Nakuha? Meaning, of course, v is in general a function of x, right? It changes with x, tama? So that dv over dt is using chain rule, that would now be dv over dx times dx over dt equals a. Okay? And what is dx over dt? This is now dv over d. Okay. This is just equal to v, right? So sa ato pa na kay v dv equals a dx. Now, assuming constant a, constant man acceleration ani, right? This is a constant acceleration. So we can now integrate integral ani, that is now 1/2 from v naught to v, right? So 1/2 v squared minus 1/2 v naught squared, right? Equals, this is ax. Or x minus x naught, tama? If we integrate this, x nato is 0 nato. Unsay makuha nato ani? This is now v squared minus v naught squared equals 2ax. Mo ni ang ikaupat. Okay? So, ano na ninyo ni sa inyong bachelor's degree, nakita ninyo ni, right? Naagyapon. Okay? So, giyon sa ninyo pag-derive dito? Agyatag. O, karon kani, tinood lang class, dili ko memorize mga formula. But I know how to derive them. Dili ko memorize sa formula. But I can derive them sa, by using the train of, Okay, mo na right? Okay, balik ta diri karon sa question. Okay, balik na ta dito na-distract ta gamay. Katong dire. What is the velocity pag abot dire? Nakuha sa ground, okay? Unsa to siya? So, ilista na ako tong upat ha, unsa to? Unsa to? Natay x equals v naught t plus 1/2 at squared. Dayon unsa to? X is equal to v plus v naught over 2 times time. Dayon, v is equal to v naught plus at, and 2ax equals v squared minus v naught squared. We have the 4. Okay? So, unsay next, ane? Katong ganiha, what is the velocity pag abot niya dire, right? Na-solve na nato ang x, right? We have x equals h over sine of theta. And what else? Our v naught equals 0. We have to solve the velocity at dire. Well, we can use this equation, right? So, V now is equal to V squared minus 0 equals 2A, which is, what is A? G sine of theta. Kaya di ba ang A, nasolve natin mo yan, A is G sine of theta times X. That is X, H over, sine of theta. And as you can see, V now is equal to square root of 2GH. Now, notice here. What do we notice here? The velocity B is independent of theta. Napansin ninyo? Di ba walay theta? Wala ni gawas. Sa ato pa, bisag kani or kana nga pag-abot diri pare-pareho sila kapaspas. Right? It only depends on H. And this is actually later, we will know that this is a trademark of a conservative system when we get into energy. Okay, so, excited na ba mo? Sa inyong pagpalalong sa masteral degree? Ani? Okay. Bisag unsaon pa na siya, right? Or bisan diri siya mo diritsod. Notice, tanawa, what happens if, unsay acceleration if theta is equal to 90? Di ba? G ra, tama? Ni anang inclined plane, right? So, straight na siya diri. So, tanawang acceleration, di ba, G? And what is the velocity? Still, the velocity is equal to square root of 2GH. Not actually the velocity, that is the speed. Because that is the square root of the square. Tama? Pare-pareho sila speed, pero lahi sila og direction. Nakuha? Pero ang magnitude kada isa ani kay pare-pareho, right? So, it only depends on the height, the velocity pag-abot niya diri sa ground. Nasabtan ninyo? Okay, but next meeting when we add now friction, dili na siya, mo depend na siya karon sa path nga agian niya. It becomes now path dependent. But here, without friction, without any if only the force acting is G, is gravity, it doesn't depend on asa siya dira. Nakuha? Actually, bisan pag unsay shape ana niya mao gihapon na siya. Technically. Bisan pag himuon nato nag-ana, paana nato na siya, paana ang speed dira pare-pareho. Of course, laylay velocity kay laylay sila direction, nakuha. Pero ang magnitude of that is the same. So, then that's actually because ang ato ang force is conservative. Gravitational force is a conservative force. So, nasabtan ninyo. Okay? So, yeah, we have derived so much today. Unya hapon kay kisay maglabon niya. Okay, pagpalit mo module daan. Sige. May pa-picture sa daw gamay sa ako, may para sa thumbnail ba? Di para thumbnail. Kasi nindot nga post ba eh. Di, anak ko diri gamay.